So you live in the city of Seal Beach, Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, and you're looking for a GM, Chevy, Cadillac mechanic, you came to the right place. My name is Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. Why Francisco's Automotive? Because he's been in business since 1975, because he's been working in GM since the early 80s. Let me show you my garden. This is my garden. Beautiful garden. I love my garden. Gives me a lot of peace. Now, as you can tell, Chevy's come a long ways. You got the Suburban. The Suburban was around in the 60s, and then in the 80s. In 1992, they made a third seat. They changed it all the way around. They were only getting 12 miles per gallon. And then in 1992, they made the back seat go further down. And then in 2000, they came out with the New Year model. And then in 2007, they came out with the other one. Why Francisco's Automotive? Because he specializes in electrical. He gives a 3-year warranty on most of his work. He's got factory-trained mechanics. He has master techs. He has the right equipment. This is my shop. Let me show you my shop. Now, call me with any of your questions. You're going to buy a car. You're going to sell a car. It don't matter. Call me with any of your questions. Francisco's Automotive, located on Slater in Huntington Beach, 7662 Slater Avenue, Huntington Beach. Thank you for watching.